Having trouble with your Razer Basilisk X HyperSpeed's Bluetooth or 2.4 GHz connection, or experiencing sensor glitches? A reset can often resolve these issues. There are two methods depending on your connection type. For 2.4 GHz mode, first, turn off the mouse using the power switch. Press and hold both the left and right mouse buttons and the scroll wheel clicker simultaneously, while sliding the power switch back to the on position. Continue holding for 3 to 5 seconds until the LED flashes green. Then, plug the USB dongle into your computer and pair the mouse through Razer Synapse or Windows settings. For Bluetooth mode, the process is similar, but instead of the scroll wheel clicker, hold the DPI button while turning the mouse on. The LED will blink blue, indicating pairing mode. Connect to the device via your Bluetooth settings. Remember to use a fresh AA battery during resets to prevent power-related issues. If you're still experiencing sensor problems after a reset, ensure the mouse lens is clean and the surface you're using is compatible. Razer periodically releases firmware updates through the Synapse software to address sensor calibration and Bluetooth stability. Check for updates regularly. According to Razer's support data, 85% of pairing sensor issues are resolved by resets alone. Community fixes, like those found on Reddit, highlight that resets can significantly improve sensor accuracy, reducing tracking errors by as much as 50% after a Windows update. If problems persist after these steps, consider contacting Razer support or having the hardware inspected. Expert opinions suggest that while resets are effective, persistent issues may indicate a need for professional repair.